I want to teach you class 6 subject math chapter 3 playing with the number. So today our topic is factors and multiples and various types of numbers. Okay student, you already know what are factors and what are multiples. I taught in the earlier classes. So once again I would like to explain so you see what are factors and what are multiples and what is main difference between multiples and factor. So now our topic is factor. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Let's see by the example. Find all the factors of 18. So student, we can write 1 into 18 equal to 18, 2 into 9 equal to 18, 3 into 6 equal to 18. Here we have to stop because suppose again you I want to take, so 6 number is coming again. So that's why I am here stopping here. So you write till here. How you have to write the factors? So the factors of 18s are, we start from here 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Already I written here 1, 2, 3, 6 and 9 and 18. So these are the factors of the 18 and 18 is the itself factors. Okay, so why 1 is factors of 18? Because 18 divisible by 1. Why 2 is a factors of 18? Because 18 divisible by 2. In this way we can see. Now point to remember. So 1 is a factors of all natural numbers and every non-zero number is a factors of itself. Okay student. So now multiples. Multiples of any natural number formed by multiplying that number and by any whole number. So let us see by example. Write the first 5 multiples of 5. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20 and 5 5 ja 25. So answer is first 5 multiples of 5 are 5, 10 and 15. So this is the multiples of 5. So in this way we can, and also 20 and 25 here also. Okay student. So you can find out so many numbers by the multiples. How you have to find the multiples of the number? You take example and you can write and find out the multiples of the given number. So various types of numbers. Now first number is even number. So regarding this you already know student, all multiples of 2 are called even numbers, or we can say that also those numbers which are exactly divisible by 2, that is called even number. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So these are the number which are exactly divisible by 2. Now odd number. Those numbers which are not a multiples of 2 are called odd numbers, or we can say that so those numbers which are not divisible by exactly 2, that is called the odd number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11 are the example. Can you say student 11 is 11 is the odd number? Yes. How will we say? Because 11 is not divisible by 2. Similarly we can say regarding the 7. So in this way we have to find out the odd numbers. Now next point is prime number. So prime numbers are most useful at the time of doing the question. So in the class 5th you already study regarding the prime number. The numbers which have exactly two distinct factors, namely 1 and itself, are called a prime number. So in the another we can say that those numbers which have only two factors, that is prime numbers. Now as for example 2, 3, 5, 7 etc. Now I am asking the question here student, can you say how many factors of 5? Yes, maybe you say the answer, the factors of 5 is 1 and itself. That's why 5 is a prime number. You can explain like this, we can say like this similarly. Okay. Now point number 4, composite numbers. So the number having more than two factors are called a composite number. Let us see example. 4, 6, 8, 10 are the examples of composite number. Can you see how 8 is a composite number. If you will find the factors of 8, so answer will be 1, 2, 4 and 8 itself. So these are the more than 2 factors. That's why 8 is a composite number. Twin primes. Two consecutive odd prime numbers are called twin primes. So examples are 3, 5, 5, 7 and 11 and 30. Here is most interesting point. So now I am telling you, suppose you will be subtract 13 minus 11. What is the answer, student? Can you say? 2. 7 minus 2. What will be the answer? 2. 5 minus 3. What will be the answer? 2. So in every time is coming 2. So that's why this is the most important point. Whenever you are finding the other twin prime numbers between 1 to 100 or more than 100, we can just check by like this. Now co-prime number. So this is the most important point because you will be also study in the 9th class or 10th class. So keep it in mind right now. So this is very useful. Two numbers are co-prime if they do not have common factors other than 1. So here are two numbers 2 and 3. If you will find the factors of 2 and 3, you will get the common factors 1, not other. Similarly 3 and 4, if you find the factors of 3 and 4, here also you will be find the common factors 1. 4 and 5 also, because here are two numbers and you will find the factors of 4 so and 5, so common will become 1. Okay student, now last is sixth prime triples or prime triplet. A set of three consecutive prime numbers differing by 2 is called a prime triple or prime triplet. So let's see example 3, 5, 7. Similarly, we have to difference 7 minus 5 to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So this is the examples. You can find the prime triplets between 1 to 100. This is the homework for you. You have to do at homework. Now question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. I hope you have understood my lecture. Thanks.